Today we want to perform our flower test with the Tamron 28 to 75mm f2.8 for the Sony system, wide open at different focal lengths. Let's check it out. I'm doing the flower test now with the Tamron 28 to 75mm f2.8, shooting at 28mm f2.8. The distance again is 50 centimeters, half a meter, around 20-21 inch. Now I'm shooting with the Tamron at 35mm f2.8. Shooting with the Tamron at 50mm f2.8. Now shooting with the Tamron at 75mm f2.8. Now this was the Tamron 28 to 75mm f2.8, shot at 75mm and f2.8 right now. Please leave your comments below, hit the subscribe button, hit like if you like it, and see you next time around. Bye for now.